Hey everybody, it's Lynn with Eli's Family Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a super easy, flavorful, and appetizing dish. Tomato and egg stir fry. And I'm going to share with you my secret ingredient that will make this dish taste amazing every single time, no matter what type of tomatoes you have or how ripe your tomatoes are. So let's get started. Grab 1 pound of tomatoes. Slice half of them into small pieces. The rest should be cut into big hearty chunks. This clever technique not only reduces cooking time, but also ensures those tomato chunks maintain their juicy texture after cooking. Now onto the eggs. Season 4 eggs with salt and white pepper. Beat the eggs until they're foamy. This will make the eggs fluffy. Heat up the wok until it is smoking hot. Then add around 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Pour in the beaten eggs and watch them fluff up beautifully. Stir until they're no longer runny. Then transfer them to a clean plate and set aside. Clean the wok and return it to the stove on high heat until it is smoking hot again. Add another 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, toss in the garlic. And throw in the tomatoes. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until the tomatoes have been cooked down. It's time to season. Add salt, white pepper, chicken bouillon powder, sugar, and soy sauce. And here is the secret ingredient: tomato ketchup. A generous 2 tablespoons will bring an intense tomato flavor and tanginess to the dish. Now add the eggs back into the wok, breaking them up into small pieces. Give it a taste and adjust with more ketchup and sugar as needed. This is a quick and easy dish that's bursting with flavors. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. I'll see you next time with more delicious food.